Hello guys, good morning. So it's almost 9:30. It's almost the market open. So I am on the daily chart right now. So let's see what happens today. So I can see that yesterday's candle just closed above the weekly open, and today's candle came down through the weekly candle and just 50% of yesterday's week. So you can see here, and I think ICT calls it consequent encroachment, something like that. So today's open, today's candle opened here, came down and dropped into 50% of yesterday's week. And let's go to 4 hours. You can see it clearly now. And then it's going up. Let's see if, let me just mark the time window so that we see it clearly. Okay, that is 30 and 12 and 4. Okay, so let me mark this short-term low. Let's do it this way, short-term low here. This is the short-term low. So short-term low, and let's keep it at the bottom. Sorry. Okay. Now let's go back to the 4 hours. Let's look at what happened. We can see that today opened, and this is the high of today. This is the low of today. Let's just wait and see and watch and see what happens. 1 hour hasn't kept any fair value gap yet. Let's see, 15 minutes. So we have a fair value gap here in this 15 minutes. And then a bullish order block here. So let's see if it comes and hits this and continues to rally. And you see that it's opened, the market opened today, dropped into what? This, let me see the 1 hour. Okay, there's no fair value gap in yesterday's rally. So it's right here. Let's say in the 15-minute fair value gap here. So we have this fair value gap, 15 minutes inside of just below this, 15-minute low here. It just digs into it and rallies. So what I expect is, I don't expect it to come again to take this lows down here. This is yesterday's lows. It might do so, but I don't expect it to do that. What I expect is, I expect it to dip inside of this fair value gap and order block, and then rally, take this high here that it kept today, and probably yesterday's high. And so this is, let me annotate this as today's high. At the top, this is today's high, and we want to see how it gravitates from there. Okay, so it's coming down. I expect it to dip into this fair value gap and then rally from there. Let me see this move, and it's just below. You see the 62% is just coincides with what? This other block here. So you just wait and see. So usually, if I want to take a trade, I would maybe wait for it to enter this region, and then I wait for confirmation. Okay, I expect it now to retrace from there. If not, no problem. And also it coincides now with what? With this weekly open. or the weekly, gap here. So from here, I expect it to rally. That's my expectation. This 15-minute rallying and closing above this fair value gap. I don't expect it to close below this fair value gap. I expect it to close above this fair value gap that I've just marked here. Annotate it, 15 minutes fair value gap. Okay, okay, let's see. So it appears to, all right. So what happened here? Okay, it might, this is, yes. So this is yesterday's low. So we expect, yeah, this 15-minute candle to close above this fair value gap. So we want to wait for confirmation. This 5-minute candle, let's see if it respects this inversion fair value gap here. Let's see if it closes above that, good and fine. And this is what? An order block here. Bearish order block, 5 minutes. So you wait for confirmation, make sure that it closes maybe above that. And then you look for an entry maybe in 1 minute or something like that. So let's see. Great, great, great. Great. So it's a 15-minute candle dips into this 15-minute fair value gap and what? Order block. That is the bullish order block. Bullish order block. So we can also see that it has dipped into the what? Dips into the weekly gap. So confirmation, wait for confirmation. Amazing. I like the fact that this 5 minutes did not close below this 15-minute fair value gap. Then it rallied from there. So we want to see how it reacts from this inversion fair value gap and this order block. If it retraces and comes and closes right down here, it could be poised to continue going down. Okay. So let me say if 5 minutes closes above its inversion fair value gap and bearish order block, then great. And be sure that it's going to rally. Probably. Let me put probably there because we are not always 100% sure, probably. Yes. So put this here, put this here, and put this here. Waiting and seeing. And watching. It's already 9:39. So I love that. As we, initially said, should come and tip in here and close above it. So we don't expect it to close inside or below this fair value gap. So we still have about 5 minutes for this candle to close. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, that 5 minutes. Oh, close it there, right? Amazing. Okay, let's go to 1 minute now. 1 minute has a fair value gap. You see that? So this is the entry. This is the entry. So you can enter in here. That is the entry there. And this fair value 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Wants to come back right down here. All right. All right. Let's see how you go from there. You know, great. Great. Trace and let's move. I like the way it usually reacts when it enters, the moving average within, you see, moving average within the PG array. It's within, now it's inside of this 1 hour moving average, trying to cross it, All right, let's see. Oh, forgot to check. You see, same thing, fair value gap, bullish order block, retrace, and let's go. Usually, I love to wait for the first 15-minute candle to close before I start to look for an entry. Because the first 15-minute candle is usually very manipulative. I'll just keep a note here. I love to wait the first 15-minute candle close for looking for an entry. But most of the times I fail that rule, because of fear of missing out, FOMO, and impatience, But that's the reason why this week I just want to do this series and learn how to be patient. I am still learning. I am not profitable. Just learning the whole process. It's not easy. It's not an easy process, but yeah, just see how it goes. If this thing sells from here, I'll be so surprised. I don't expect it to come and take this low again. If it does, then it might be, just plummeting and going down. Let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close and see. Wait for that 15-minute candle to close. Wait. Remove some of these annotations here. 1 more minute for it to close. And the next 15-minute candle will start. And then you start looking for the way to enter if you get confirmation to enter the market. Because most of the times, if the next 15-minute candle, if it's a buy, it's going to come again and re-enter this fair value gap and this bullish order block before now significantly rallying. Sometimes it might even come and take this low, the first 15 minutes candles low before rallying. But in this scenario, I don't see it taking this low. I mean, if it's going to rally, I don't see it taking this low. If it takes this low, then we could be just, plummeting and going down and maybe seeking this low here. So we have 2 seconds, 1 second, bam, perfect. Come down here, maybe enter here again, and then rally. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. See that 1 minute, the value gap. Wait. Amazing. Great delivery. Wait for it to go. Okay. So the next 15-minute candle has opened. Come down a little bit, and now it's rallying. So this is when I usually start looking for an entry. Now when this 1 minute closes, now it has closed there. Now I now count this as an order block. I wait for it to enter here, this inversion fair value gap, and from there, look for an entry. So it has taken this swing high here. So expect a retracement into this region. Okay, and then a move to the upward direction, then rally from there. Okay. Oh boy. Let's see if this is just a manipulation or market is good at manipulating, you know. Okay. Let's see. But if it's going to rally, expect it to leave from there with a significant move to the upside. Short-term high. Short-term high. Okay. Great. Great, 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 great. Okay. It's just consolidating here now in this 1 minute candle. Let's say in this 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Great, 15 minutes. Let's see, maybe it wants to come and enter this fair value again before moving higher. There's a possibility, or it might just move higher now from here. That's a possibility. I just move higher from here. Yeah. Then no problem. Then you're seeking this short-term high here. And then today's high. And then yesterday's high. Just Monday. Monday. Hi. Hi. Hello. All right. Let's see what it's trying to do. I don't know. There. Know what it's trying to do. Today's high, Monday's high. Then this is, I guess, Friday's high or Thursday's high, I guess. This one here. All right. Now, if it's going to sell, okay, let's see. If it closes below this guy, then it's going down. I guess, I think so. Think so. Let's see. Just waiting and seeing. Manipulates. Maybe it wants to take this, swing low again. Yeah, deep into this region before actually moving higher. So you have to wait and wait and wait. You see, this guy is already it has already taken the 15-minute high here. So yeah, great. So from there now, move to the upside, move to the upside. I love the fact that the 5-minute candles, all of their bodies just, sat within this inversion fair value gap. None of them closed below the inversion fair value gap. Then and then this one starts and it's attempting to rally. Inversion fair value gap and a 5-minute order block there. Five minutes order block, order block. Closes above inversion fair value gap. Yeah, this is the 5-minute we're talking about. Yeah, interesting. It seems to want to come down. Markets can give you high blood pressure. High blood pressure. So let's see how it goes from there. And just sitting and waiting and trying to learn. Just learning stuff. Learning. Through a learning process. Learning process. Okay. Wow. I can't believe what is happening here. In my opinion, it's going to rally. It's just doing some child's play here. It's just annoying, traders here. I think it's going to rally. It's going to rally. Rally. It's going to rally. So what's the time now? 9:53. So it might be waiting for the 10 o'clock candle to come down again and enter this region before actually rallying. That's what I think. If this candle does not close up there before 10 o'clock reaches, then I think 10 o'clock is going to open, come down here again, and then before it rallies, you see, pum. I think it will take this low again. Yeah, it's just being crazy inside here, inside this inversion fair value gap, just zigzag. Then we'll come and take this deep into this fair value gap and then rally. What I think. Okay. Let's wait for the next 5-minute candle to come. And then we'll see how it goes from there. A few seconds to the next 5-minute candle. Just a few seconds. Yeah, just keeping some relative equal lows here. That's what I think. This 5 minutes should dip into this fair value gap again. That's my expectation. If it doesn't, then Okay, we'll just keep rallying. Just keep rallying. 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. That's 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. It's 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. Yes. Yes, it's really showing a sign of rallying. Thank you. Still zigzagging down here. Still zigzagging. Okay. I don't know what's trying to do right now. Let's see what's trying to do. Okay, great. I was taking that 1 minute low here. All right, perfect, perfect. Amazing. Did now here, retrace and rally. If it keeps going down, then today it's going to sell, sell, sell again. Okay. Hmm. 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 Wow. Wow. It's coming. Take this low again. Hmm. Okay. All right. So if this candle closes, below this fair value gap, then I think we are going down, 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 down. We are going down. And we are going down. Let's see. So it wants to take this low again and keep going down. Let's see if it only came to take this low. I wasn't really expecting it to take this low, but it did. Okay. Let's see if it's going to retrace significantly from here. If it retraces and closes again within or above this fair value gap, then we can be a little bit confident that it can keep rallying. Yes. If it retraces, closes within this 15-minute fair value gap. So as I was saying, the next 15-minute candle usually, comes down. Maybe takes the low of the previous 15-minute candle. But I wasn't expecting it to do that in this case, but it did it, and it is retracing now. So it has taken it. If it closes above this guy, then we're good to go. And we're good to go. Today I'm going to close the session a little bit earlier than yesterday because I've got stuff to do. Learning process. Learning process. Taking this slow. Need confirmation. 1 minute, no fair value gap yet. See, always need this run like this, taking that low. Okay. Just a few seconds to 10 o'clock. Few seconds to 10 o'clock. So this 5 minute candle, I don't expect it to close. If it's going to rally, it shouldn't close below this fair value gap. It shouldn't. If it closes below that fair value gap, then, okay, see that it does. Oh boy, that's it. Yeah, just rallying. I was taking the short-term high. I was taking the short-term high. So it might have just gone to take that short-term high and then plummet again. But let's wait and see how this 5-minute candle closes. It's very important. Wow. Wow. Look at that 1 minute. It's retracing. At this point, I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just wait and see. Let me start taking out these annotations. Let's see if this 1 minute candle or this, yeah, this 1 minute candle closes. Yeah, it has closed above this inversion fair value gap. So if it dips in here, it will keep a fair value gap there. It dips in there again after taking this low, taking the swing high. Now it's a great place to enter a fair value gap here. Great, great delivery. Enter the 15-minute fair value gap and order block into a weekly open gap, and then rallying from there. The market is crazy, crazy market. Just imagine that you had taken a sell here. It will come and you'll be happy. It just goes like that, just one minute candle goes and takes you off. So now you should be seeking to take today's high, and then Monday's high, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Short-term high taken. Short-term high taken. Short-term high taken. Bam. Bam. This move, just this candle, this move is about 245 ticks. Multiply that by 5. And that's just a 1 minute candle at 10 o'clock, leaves like that, 229 ticks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing delivery. Now let's see if it will come into this 1 minute fair value gap here before rallying. Let's also see what happens here. Wow. See that? This guy came and took this low again, but what happens here? This guy did not take that low. That is ES. ES did not take that low. But NQ did. So we want to wait and see if it comes. And let's see. I'm just putting it. I'm not taking a trade. Don't be afraid. Don't say that, oh, this guy said he would not take a trade. No, I'm just putting it. I'm not going to take any trade. In fact, let me see. Okay, I think I should put it here. Let's see. Let's enter that 1 minute fair value gap. We expect it to gravitate higher from there. See, just that is the beginning of that fair value gap. So I put this thing down here, and let's see. Expect it now. It has entered the 50% of that of this move higher. Fibonacci 50%. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. It's going, let's see if it just went up there to take that high. Wow. All right. That seems to be the case. Let's see. Let's come and touch that fair value gap again. Just going up and down. Boy, boy. Yeah. I think it's going to continue selling now. Yeah, it just went up there to take that high. And now I think it's going to seek this low. Today's low. Yeah. It's just zigzag, 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 zigzag. Market conditions like this, if you just, if it knocks you out, just leave. Or if you take, let's say you entered here, you took your profit, just leave, because you would come again. Oh, let me enter here, and then you'll just kill you. Let's say you missed this one and you came and entered where I was showing that maybe you could end, it was a possible place to enter. Enter there and it knocks you, just leave, because now it's just going up and down and it's an avenue for confusion. And leads to over trading, which is what has killed me so much. you know, movements like this have killed my account so much. Give me two top step accounts. Movements like this. That's why it's good to learn how to just see movements like this and see how the market is reacting off of some levels. You still have that 15-minute fair value gap there, still respecting it. Really. Now I don't know. I don't know which direction it's going to go, but yeah, one never knows. It has, entered this fair value gap like 3 times. This is the third time. 3 times. Okay. That 5 minutes has retraced. This 1 minute has entered this inversion fair value gap, and it's what? It's going down now. So yeah, this market can cause you high blood pressure, Yeah, I think it's a sell. The way this guy has, oh boy, trace from here, going down. It could be. We don't know. No, I don't know. No idea. Nothing to say. So I will just sit and watch. Sit and watch. Sit and watch. Okay, great. I don't know. It's just being crazy now. At this point, if you don't take a trade in situations like that, just close the market and leave, really. Because you see that's taken this high now. I think it has entered this fair value gap and it's going to go down because now we have some relative lows here. Relative lows here. Oh, it has closed in here. So I would say this is going to continue going down. I would say. Let's say it's going to continue going down. Yeah, I don't see it going back up. I don't know. Boy, it's going to continue going down. Interesting. Interesting, really. Let's take off this guy. It's gone up, taking this run down. Yeah. All right. Man, this market. Okay. Look at that 5 minutes. It has retraced and it's going up again. Respecting that 15-minute 15-minute fair value gap. Oh boy, oh boy. Really, this is confusion. Just close the chart and leave, really. Confusion of highest order. Look at that. Just going up and down, take liquidity. Up, 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 take liquidity. Up, 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 take liquidity. Down, up, 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 keep liquidity. Up, up, it's going to maybe come again. Take that liquidity. Really crazy. Okay, I'll end today at 10:15. 10:15, and yeah, that'll be all for today. At 10:15, and that will be like, I guess, 30 minutes. 45 minutes sitting in front of the chart and just watching how the market is crazy, how crazy the market can be. Look at that. It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Never fall for that. If you lose, you just close the chart and leave. That's one thing I'm learning. If I lose, I close the chart and leave, because this avenue for chaos. It has gone untouched, that inversion fair value gap again. It's going to take that low again. Confusion of highest order. Really great confusion there. All right. In cases like that, we just close the charts and leave. Never try to outsmart the market. Don't try to outsmart the market now. Never an aim to outsmart the market. Because if you do that, it will come back and bite you severely. Bite you severely. Okay, we'll keep going down. I think so. So I think next 15 minutes is going to open shortly. Going to take that low. Okay, so the confirmation, we'll keep going down. So it went, enter this 1 minute fair value gap again. And look at that. Down it goes. Down it goes. Went and took that short-term high. Wow. Very manipulative. It has, taken people who sold and put their stop losses here. It went, okay, down. People who sold and put their stop losses here, went down. People who bought, put their stop losses here, it went up. People would buy, put their stop losses, came, took the stop losses, went, took the stop losses up there, came, did some maneuver here. People would put their stop losses here, went, came, took it now. Maybe it's going to turn again, go. Oh boy, but I don't see it going up again. I don't see it going up. I don't see it going up. Very, very manipulative. Very manipulative. I don't know. I don't know what's going to do from here. Confusion. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification button and comment. Let's keep learning together. Remember, I'm also, a learner like all of you. I'm not a professional trader. I am not profitable yet. That's why this journey is just for me to learn how to be patient, how to sit and watch the market, to know when to enter, when not to enter, when I lose, when to leave the market, when I win, when to leave the market, um, and stuff like that. So that's just the aim of this channel. And I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.